How to create folders in Gmail. In Gmail, folders are called labels. You can use labels to organize your emails and make them easier to find. To create a label in Gmail, you can follow these steps. On your computer, open Gmail and sign into your account. On the left side of the page, scroll down and click the plus icon next to labels. Enter a name for your label and click create. You can also create a label from an email by selecting the email and clicking the label icon at the top. Then, click create new and enter a name for your label. To add an email to a label, you can drag and drop the email to the label on the left side of the page. You can also select the email and click the label icon at the top. Then, check the box next to the label you want to add and click apply. To view all the emails with a certain label, you can click the label name on the left side of the page. You can also search for a label by typing label name in the search box at the top. How to bring together all popular messaging services. Online communications don't end with emails, though. If you use a lot of different messengers daily, managing them turns into a challenge. Tons of notifications, emails, and chats. Spending a lot of time switching between Gmail, Slack, and Telegram sufficiently lowers your productivity. As always, we have a solution. Meet IM Plus, an all-in-one messenger that brings together over a dozen popular messaging services in a single convenient window. Just imagine that you can effortlessly navigate through all your messengers from one app.